Hello students, in this video let us see the preparation of nylon 6,6. It is prepared with the help of two reactants. One is adipic acid and the other is hexamethylene diamine, resulting in the polymer that is called as nylon 6,6. As far as this adipic acid is concerned, it is basically a hexane dioic acid, that is, it is a dicarboxylic acid which is the basic precursor for the preparation of your final product, that is nylon 6,6. This adipic acid also has an important role within the reaction. Rather, you can say it acts as a catalyst for the reaction. So, you need not require any external catalyst for the working of this particular procedure. Here, reaction takes place between two adipic acid molecules, where one molecule donates a proton to the carbonyl oxygen of the other and the reaction gets initiated. And as soon as this reaction is initiated, it proceeds in the forward direction and you get a very high yield of your final polymer product, that is nylon 6,6. Now the next question which remains within this topic is, why the name nylon followed by the numbers 6,6? See what happens here, in case of adipic acid, since it is an hexane dioic acid, so it has 6 carbon atoms in all. Similarly, in case of hexamethylene diamine, also there are 6 carbon atoms. So these 6 carbon atoms belonging to both the reactants are specified in this case, right? So that is about the name of nylon 6,6, why it has been specified in this way, right? Now we will move towards the question where we can find out in what way the question could be asked and how you could work for it. See the question on your screen. It's very direct question. The compound used in the manufacture of nylon 6,6 is ethylene, ethylene glycol, vinyl chloride or adipic acid. So you are very much sure up till now. So what is the answer? It is adipic acid, right? So that's for today. Then I'll upload you with the next video whereby you will be getting details about the carboxylic acid derivatives and its hydrolysis concept. Till then, work hard, take care.